Hey, how you doing? It's Tim. So perception is everything. There was a study where they had people that sat in a room and they had a big, beautiful window with the sun shining in. And everybody knows, and I assume everybody knows, that sunshine is really good for you because it gives you vitamin D and it just soaks us in and it makes us feel good. And so they had this window with the sun coming in and they measured how happy people felt based on a subjective score they gave. And then they had another room where they put people in and there wasn't a window, but they painted a window and they painted a big, beautiful sun and they put people in that room and then they measured their level of happiness. And then they took another study or another group of people and they put them in a room and it didn't have a window at all. And so they ended up measuring it, and the interesting thing was that the people that didn't have a window, they didn't feel that great. But the people that had a window felt really, really good. And the people just had the painted window, they felt just as good as the people who had the real window. Now, I thought that was amazing. But then I realized that it's all about perception. It's not just being in the sunshine. It's the idea of the sunshine. Your mind doesn't know reality from a dream, right? So if you're having a nightmare and your body's responding with the fight or flight response as though it's happening in real time, even though you're laying there safe in bed, your body's responding because it's all about perception. So you don't see the world as it is, you see the world as you are. And the more you understand that, the more you get to decide, the more you really understand that you get to decide how you want your life to be based on your perception, based on what you're telling yourself, based on what you're looking for, based on what you think is going to happen, right? Your expectations. And so if you start to expect that good things are going to happen for you, that you're going to achieve your goal, that, God is on your side, that miracles are all around you at all times, that the word impossible means I'm possible. When you start to look at it in that way, then all of a sudden you start to see a sunny blue sky. Even on the grayest, cloudiest day, you'll be looking for that silver lining. And that's what it's all about. So look for your silver lining today. What is it that you want? What is it that you want to have happen? And then start looking for it until you find it.